Hello guys, and how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Madella, and today I'm gonna show you how to do a back to school makeup. We're gonna create a very simple, easy and fresh look that you can wear on your first day of school and also every day at school. I want to create this look just to look a little bit put up together, to feel a little bit better, more awake, and maybe more confident. And I'm also gonna share 2 stories of high school. So I would like you to do the same. Please share with us in a comment down below one of your high school stories. And if you are a freshman, I can't wait to tell me how was your first day of high school. Alright, let's get started. So I already choose my outfits. This is just like a top that goes like that, and I have it covered with this jeans like shirt. So we're gonna try to do something like quite simple and easy, maybe a makeup that can cover a little bit of your acne. I know that's what I was bothered by in high school. I literally started to do makeup because I wanted to cover my acne. Now I'm much more acceptant. You know, when you're a teenager, it's quite hard to let something like that not bother you, but I would really like for you to overcome that and remember that you are beautiful no matter what. I moisturize my face already, and I'm gonna use something with SPF. This is Elta MD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. So this one is tinted, so my skin might look a little bit darker. If you live in a sunny area, state, country, even in winter time, I would recommend to use SPF. You might or you might not know, but SPF, it's very important, but this is up to you. If you want to use it, good. If no, I cannot force you. So we're gonna try to use more affordable makeup. My first choice will be the L'Oreal 24 Hours Infailible. This is a Pro Matte, so this is very good for normal to oily skin. I think it's around $10. Also, Maybelline came with this new foundation. It's a Dream Urban Cover. It has SPF 50. It has like a pretty good coverage. This one from Clinique, I would recommend this one if you are willing to pay just a little bit more money. This is $27. It doesn't have fragrance. It's a non-comedogenic, so I would recommend for more problematic skin. I really like this. Today we're gonna go with the L'Oreal. Just gonna try to do this makeup as fast as possible. So I'm just gonna use a brush because I think it's the fastest way to apply foundation. If you don't want foundation, you can skip this step. Maybe you want to use a tinted moisturizer, or maybe you just want to use concealer like under your eyes, or if you want to cover something. In high school, I suffered from acne. In 10th grade, I was 17 years old. It was a hormonal acne, and it was quite hard to keep it under control with creams or like skin treatments. So I had to go on a hormonal medication, which was very weird, like because I was under 18 and my parents gave me approval for that hormonal medication, and my face cleared out, but it was just like, it sucks. I know, I feel you. Like even now I have hormonal acne, and it's been so long since high school. I'm still trying to get rid of it. So for concealer, I can recommend 2 concealers. I use the Maybelline Age Rewind. I like this one very much because it's affordable. You can find it in drugstores, so it's very accessible. Or you can use the Be Bright concealer. This is from Cocky. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. So just a little bit. I need a little bit more because, you know, I'm not 16 anymore. And if you have acne and you need some extra coverage, you can go with concealer. This is though in another shade. It's a little bit closer to the foundation shade. So I'm just gonna go in this area. Next, we're gonna apply a little bit of powder, and I have the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm gonna take this beautiful powder brush from Wet n Wild, and we're just gonna use a little bit of powder, especially on the T-zone when the face gets more oily. Oh my god, I remember in high school, I went to high school of informatics and mathematics. As a freshman, when I entered, it was a lot of math, and we were studying informatics like programming, C++. And it was like, wow, what is this? The mathematics that they taught us, it was like the highest level of mathematics that you can learn at that age in high school, and it was so hard. I had a teacher in the first year of high school. It was a man, and it was just terrifying because I don't know, maybe he didn't really have the patience to like really teach us and explain us, and if you didn't know something, if you didn't learn the lesson, he was putting a bad grade with a smile on his face. Just like that. The thing is, he was intimidating. Like, he asks you something, and if you don't know something, you might lose yourself, and if he asks more, you cannot continue because kind of like blocking yourself. And like everybody, I think half of the class barely made it to like pass the semester. It was really crazy. And now I'm gonna apply this lip balm from Nivea. It's very moisturizing. I used to use the cherry flavor because it was kind of tinted, so I used to like that. Yeah, so that was the story with that teacher. It was the first semester I barely passed, and the second one it was much better, but it was a little bit terrifying. He wasn't like a bad or mean teacher, but he was very sarcastic and he was intimidating. For the eye, we're gonna do something easy. An affordable palette that I have something from Morphe. It's like $15 for like a lot of colors. But I also have, I wanna use this one from BH Cosmetics, and it's the Moroccan Sunset. And it has like these cute shades, and we're just gonna do like something in the crease. I'm gonna take like this warm brown right here. I'm gonna take this Luxie brush, the 249, and it's double-ended. So I'm gonna take that shade and I'm gonna apply it in the crease. Just wanna like give like a little bit of color. Okay, with the other side of the brush, it's more like a flat one. I'm gonna go in this shimmery shade. I'm just gonna apply it on the lid. So this is like a gold champagne shade. And if you want, you can stop right here. But what I wanna do, I wanna take a little bit of a dark shade and create an eyeline with it. For that, I'm gonna take a small brush. This is perfect for eyeliner. And I'm gonna take this dark shade. This is like a dark brown. We want to use something like super easy and fast, and I don't want to create the perfect winged eyeliner at 6-7 a.m. in the morning, and it literally took 2 seconds. For eyebrows, I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna comb them. If you want, you can use something clear. This is the NYX Bear With Me brow setter. So this has no color, it just literally sets your eyebrows. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Snap Mascara. This is in the shade purple. Maybelline and even L'Oreal mascaras are very good. Really like them. Oh my god, I remember in high school I was experimenting with makeup so much. Like, I was wearing brown eyeshadow and green, and it was pretty cool. I really liked it. For blush, we're gonna use the Flower powder blush in the shade Peach Primrose. It has like this peachy, beautiful color. and you can build it up. It's not very intense, but it still has pigment. It's so pretty. Optional for the first day of going back to school. Maybe you want to use a little bit of bronzer. I don't know, I'm just saying, you can skip this part. I think the blush is enough. I recommend the Wet n Wild contouring palette. This is in the shade Dolce de Leche. So I'm gonna take like a big brush, I'm gonna tap it gently here, and you can just use maybe a little bit on the forehead, but just like a little bit to give you like that tan look. I just came from vacation and I had fun kind of look. For lips, if you want, you can just like stay with the lip balm. I like that. If you want, you can apply a gloss. This is the Wet n Wild, the Pac-Man collection. I have the e.l.f. This is the dual end lipstick. And or otherwise I recommend ColourPop. This is not in drugstore, but they are so affordable. I think this one is $6 and it's very beautiful, full of pigment. But I'm just gonna go with the e.l.f. and I'm gonna use the Day shade, the Kneaded Nudes from e.l.f. I really like the shade, it's so pretty. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit and apply it on my fingers. That's so pretty. Okay, and I'm gonna use a lip plumper. It's just like a gloss. I don't care if it plumps my lips, but I like the glossy effect. Just like right here. Okay guys, and that's it. And I think the most important thing, one of the biggest innovation in makeup, is a setting spray. And I have here from Milani Make It Last. This is like $10 to $12 and it's so good, honestly. Usually I have a fan here, or you can use the eyeshadow palette. Your makeup is gonna stay longer on your face. Boom boom, boom. Okay guys, that's it. This is the final look. I think it looks very fresh, beautiful. I feel like I had more coffee. I feel more confident and I just feel more like myself. Don't be afraid to experiment with makeup as much as you can, as much as the school allows you. And I really hope you have an amazing school year. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. And I just wanted to say, I remember I had another math teacher, was a woman this time, and I was in the second, third, and the fourth year of high school, and she was just so beautiful and classy, and she has like this beautiful like women's suit, kind of like Chanel style women's suit, and she was so beautiful, and she was matching her nails with the suit, and she used to have like a nice kind of the same makeup and like blonde platinum hair that touches her shoulders. And I don't know, for me she kind of inspired me. She was like very feminine and also a very good math teacher, and I like that, you know. I liked her and I started math even better because I liked her. I hope you enjoyed this year, and I wish you all the best and get the best grades. And that's it. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye!